Hey guys, I'm ready to do our first home activity tutorial for y'all. What we're going to be making today for our at-home activity is a snack counting sheet. This is something that's super fun. You're eating snack anyway when you're at home. You might as well have a learning activity to go with it. So the first thing you're going to do is just find a blank piece of paper. It does not have to be fancy. I literally have used like the back of a piece of mail. So nothing crazy, nothing fancy, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to use a marker. You guys can use a pen, a pencil, whatever you want. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to make a line going straight down. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, no big deal. And then I'm going to make 2 lines going across, so I have 6 sections on my paper. Okay, now what you're going to do is in each of these 6 sections, you're going to put a numeral at the top of each section. So on this one, I'm going to do numbers 1 through 6, okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, 5 and 6 down here. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put the number of the numeral you have, you're going to put that many symbols underneath it. It could be a square, it can be a dot, it can be a circle, anything to just indicate that that's how many goes in that square. So I'm just going to use circles. So if I'm doing numeral 1, I'm going to put 1 circle. Okay. If I'm doing number 4, I'm going to put 4 circles. I like to do it the same as a child would see on a dice because that's what they're going to see most commonly when they see a number representation. So you're going to keep doing that all the way through number 6. I've already done one, so I'll just show you kind of the finished one. So here is a snack counting sheet, numbers 1 through 6. So your kids are just going to get whatever snack they're eating. Maybe it's goldfish or gummies or Cheerios, whatever you guys have at home. And they're just going to take them. I'm going to use the Skittles I used for my picnic game. And they're just going to take them and they're going to set them on the snack counting sheet. Mine are kind of rolling around. I wish I could show you a little bit better, but oh gosh. Anyway, you get the idea. If there's 2 here, they're going to put 2 of their little snacks. Okay. Or 4, they're going to put 4 of their little snacks. Now, when we do this kind of stuff at school, I tell them, you can't eat it until you've put all of your snacks on. And I want to check it, and we're going to count them. And then you can eat. So as they're going, just you can support them by coming and saying, okay, you've got 5 gummies on your snacks. Let's count and make sure that you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you're going, I just want you to know kind of why this is important. It's a really important skill for kids to see a numeral and then see its value together so that they know if this is number 2, this value is 2. So I know that 2 means 2 items. So that's something, just a little tidbit of what you guys are learning. Now, this would be something I would recommend for kids that are learning their numbers 1 through 5 and counting through 5 is this. Now, if your kids have already mastered that and they know their numbers, all the single digit numbers, great. You can do a more challenging one like this. I've already made it, so I'll just show you. This is just one that I made with numbers 7 through 12. Great. You can make one up to 20, up to 30, however much your child needs to learn those numerals and then their value. So I hope you guys have so much fun with this. Again, it's super easy and fun. If you don't want to do it with snacks, that's great. You can do it with coins, beads, anything you have for counting. So I hope you guys enjoy this. You can use it over and over. You can use it with your younger kids, the lower numbers, or your older kids with the higher numbers. Hope you guys have a great time with this. If you have questions about it or I can support you in any way on these activities, you can email me or text me or call me. See you soon.